First, I like to thank National Instruments India for giving opportunity to present our ideas in Niyantra 2012. We are from Anand Institute of Air Technology and our batchmates are Samutragani, Sandosh Balaji, Reshu Mukherjee and Priyadashini. Our title of the project is Automatic Profilometer for Extruder. Extruder. It plays a major part in the industries. There are a lot of extruders are there in steel industry, glass industry, rubber industry, etc. But our project focus mostly for rubber industry. The principle works for the rubber industry and the same principle can be applied to other extruder industry. Now let me explain the objective of the project. In my objective of the project, I am going to find the thickness of the extruder material, as well as by finding the thickness I can reduce the wastage of the cutting piece. In my project I have used stereo systems, IR sensors and then stepper motor. This is a basic model of our setup where it consists of three parts. The initial is a conveyor belt setup where the material comes. The second setup is the IR sensor part where it sends the thickness of the material from the extruder. The third part is the cutting section. In our construction we have kept two sensors, one at the top and another at the bottom of the material. These two IR sensors takes the values and it will be continuously updated to my LabVIEW system. From that I can able to calibrate the distance between the sensor and the material on the top as well as the bottom. Here is the working model. Here comes our innovation, where the sensor are placed diagonally at 83.1 degree angle. Where the material runs horizontally, the sensors runs diagonally. By applying the vector analysis, we form a right angle triangle. By this, I can able to take lot of horizontal strips and the strips can be increased by increasing the speed of the sensor. Both the sensors and the motors are synchronized with stereo system. So with LabVIEW front panel I can able to find the thickness, the distance between the sensor from the top to the material and the distance between the sensor from the bottom to the material. I can calibrate and it will be profiled in the LabVIEW front panel. From IR sensors the continuous voltage will be getting, the equivalent of voltage will be calibrated as a distance in the LabVIEW programming, where voltage is proportional to the distance by means of calibration. This is the one you are seeing in the front panel of the system, where the blue line is the actual one and the red line is the ideal pattern. If it doesn't match with the ideal pattern, then it gives the necessary signal to the cutting section where it immediately cuts the material. By doing this, we can avoid the wastage of material in the extruded part. Since it is an industrial application, we want to make a complete autonomous model. So all the motion control has been deployed in the stereo system where a complete autonomous model can be done. Thanks for watching our video.